how to undo a chat or a code snippet in your Deep Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can undo any particular conversation or let's say a code base if you are working on the Deep Code CLI. So first thing first, you will need to simply launch your Windows PowerShell as an administrator and then type in Deep Code in order to launch the Deep Code. Then once you are done with this, simply from a new line, type in the forward slash, and then you can simply scroll down. Or what you can also do is simply type in the undo right here after the forward slash, and you can see it says restore code and or conversation to a previous point. Then, once you are done with this, simply hit the enter button and you will see the previous versions of the particular chat. In case you wish to do it for another chat, the first thing that you will need to do is hit the escape button, or from a new point of view, simply type in the forward slash and then type in resume and then choose that particular chat that you wish to undo. Then from here, simply select the chat and then type in the forward slash and then type in undo, and from here if there are any particular previous versions, you will see them. You can hit the enter button and you will see these two options. The first one is restore code and conversation, and the another one is to just restore the conversation. From here, you can simply select the one that you want, and you can see that the code has and the conversation has been successfully undone. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.